Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Lady Boss Builder Jessica returning for another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this shoe rack out of scrap wood. So enjoy watching.
You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came, you didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me, cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you, but I always say that I don't want to, cause I'm really stuck all about you. I deny you, but I really like you. Baby, wanna be you, wanna know why. Wanna be your first, but the last one. I'm not good to be your life, I just wanna know. If I tell you something, baby, I'm still thinking about you. If I tell you something. 언제부터 네가 남자로 보여. 어느새 얼굴이 화끈거리고 행동 하나하나가 조심스러워지는데 넌 어때?
언제부터 난 너밖에 안 보여. 어느새 내 맘을 숨길 수 없고 너의 하나하나가 사랑스러워지는데 난 어때?
Fall in love, fall in love, fall in love. 네가 날 안아준다면 Fall in love, fall in love, fall in love. 네가 내게 와준다면 얼마나 좋을까. 함께라면 그 뭣도 필요 없어.
Dalawa yang tenang, gerakai mekar dengan kemilan. Kuncup merah muda mekar perlahan, menyapa dunia dengan keindahan. Dalam air yang jernih mengalir, mereka melari dengan anggutnya teratai. Simbol kesucian dalam kekayaan yang mengagumkan, teratai mekar di bawah mentari.